Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to match colors from different videos on Filmora. So, double click on your video, and go to colors and then color match. Click comparison view. So, we gonna match colors from last video to the first video. Click match. As you see, this is how it looks. Or let's try with colors of the other video. Also, you can low or high the colors as you want. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.